Hi everyone. Today I'll be making Apple Oatmeal Crisp. What all goes into the Apple Oatmeal Crisp? 1 cup brown sugar, 1 cup rolled oats, 1 cup flour, 1/2 cup or 1 stick butter melted, 3 cups apples, peeled, cored, and chopped. I don't know if I've got 3 cups here, but I will get as many as I can. 1/2 cup sugar, 2 teaspoons cinnamon. So let's begin. Preheat the oven to 350. Take an 8x8 square pan and lightly grease it, which I already have, and set it aside. Take a large bowl, put in your 1 cup of brown sugar, your 1 cup of rolled oats, your 1 cup of flour, and your 1 stick or 1/2 cup of melted butter, and mix that until it's crumbly. Take your crumb mixture and put half of that into the bottom and spread that out evenly. That looks pretty good. Then put your apples, and I did 4 apples, but I don't think I need 4. I think I only need about 3.5. And put them on top of the first layer of the crumb coating. You want it evenly and single layer, and set that aside for just a second. Take a small bowl, dump in your 1/2 cup of granulated sugar and 2 teaspoons of the cinnamon, and mix that together. Did anybody when they were kids have cinnamon sugar toast? Oh my God, best ever. Then take your cinnamon sugar and sprinkle it on top of the apples. That's an awful lot of cinnamon sugar for the apples. I think that's enough. That's not the whole 1/2 cup. I just think that's plenty. Then take the rest of your crumb mixture. I'm just going to use my hands for that. And evenly put that on there. You want to cover up all the apples. Okay, and then spread that out. Put your Apple Oatmeal Crisp in a preheated 350-degree oven for 40 to 45 minutes or until it is golden brown. So after 41 minutes, I took it out. As you can see, it is browning on the top. We'll let it cool for just a couple of minutes and then we'll dish it up. So here is the Apple Oatmeal Crisp. Let's see what Dave thinks.
Hot.
It's supposed to be. That way I'll melt the ice cream.
It's good. Tastes appley.
That is Apple Oatmeal Crisp.
I like it. It's good.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.